Hello guys, Kevin here and welcome back to part 3 of my Aisu Legendary campaign. So last time, we dealt all three rebels here and we repel as well yung main army ng Sedai here. That's why itong Daimyo ko. Daimyo ba ang matawag yan? Yeah, Daimyo. But, threaten tayo ngayon dito sa small army na pupunta
My lord.
ng Nagaoka. I believe meron pa dito isa eh. Pag binug ko
At
tong
your
ano,
service.
itong shinobi ko. Move natin shinobi.
Aye.
Ayun nga, may isa pa.
Awaiting your next
So,
command. On my way. Anything further?
Hindi na siya small. Kasi 2, 4, 6, 7 plus 4, 11 stock of army. And hindi ko naman mapapapunta dito yung
Orders, my lord.
army ko kasi merong isang small band army dito sa ng Sedai. So, I need to put
At your
my
command.
army here and wait this to come.
Ready for order.
Pero paano ako madedefend to? So, madedefend ko to siguro by putting this army here and create, kasi di siya abot eh, create pa ako ng ayun, nag-create na pala ako ng 1, 2, 3 4 I mean 3 so 7 siya.
My sword for you, my lord.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8. So, isa pa. Tapos, rank up pa siya. Experience pala. So, I think okay na yun. Kasi meron naman ditong, I think, dalawa dapat. Isang spear levy, okay, gets ko na. Isang spear levy, isang levy garrison infantry. So, same, hindi tayo makikreate ng mga advanced army or infantry, like lineman infantry. So, ganun lang. Ganun siya kasimple. Okay, let's start.
Yes, my lord. As you
balik ko siya
command.
dito. Then let's see kung pwede tayong mag high tax rate. Hindi. So last turn nag high tax rate tayo. The problem is ito, nag-rebel ba siya? Nag-rebel siya, kaya pala. Pero anyway, so wait, lipat ko kaya dito. Kasi hindi pa siya mag-rebel. So lipat ko dito. Abot ba?
March.
Abot. Yun, maabot. So, okay lang to kasi magkakaroon naman siya ng dalawang army dito. Dalawang company. So, okay lang. Then, development. So, I'm waiting here. Hindi nagka-process tong development level 2 natin. Diplomacy. Try to make peace.
Speak and do not mumble. Honesty and clarity march forwards together in negotiations.
Or I give you 500 for a time. No? Okay. Sige. Expansion siya. Ilan ba territory nito? 1, 2, I think it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Ito, tatlo ka. Shinano, North Shinano. Nandito yung Kai dati. Dito yung Shinano tsaka Totomi. Tama ba? Ito po yung Kai. Okay. Okay, so anyway, let's enter. Wala naman tayong iba pang gagawa. Okay, promoted. deal with you first. And nawala. Nawala. What does it mean? Nawala. Ayan. Okay. Yun. Wala na tayong research. Well, go for limit again na battle. Okay, so let's deal this first.
What
Let's
is
out
your bid? As you wish.
this.
Is that
Nasaan
all,
yung
my
army
lord?
niya?
It will be done.
Ito yung kanina, di ba? Ito nga.
How
Ito
may I
yung
serve
small
you?
band army niya.
It will as you wish. Treading softly.
Ilan ba yung spy natin? Okay, pick new one new spy. Check ko lang dito kung may pupuntang army. So, i-include tong tatlo, apat. So, nag-replenish pa siya. Too bad.
Attack!
Resolve natin to, guys.
My sword for you. Attack!
Maganda lang naman tayo sa
Very well.
nice.
Ready for order. Marching now.
May general got promoted. Once charged, all units under his command, bodyguard morale. Ano lang, yung attack.
As you wish, my lord.
Wala naman tayong pira to upgrade. Wala akong gawin tenant lahat pala to, no? Para may income ako. So next turn, so libit ko muna to dito. Then pupush ko na
Yes.
ito dito. So okay. Wala pa rin, sorry. Wala pa rin ba? Peace. Ayaw mo pa rin makipag-peace sa akin. Peace. Oh,
Speak plainly. Speak quickly. Your presence is not entirely welcome.
peace muna for the meantime. Pabayad tayo ng damage. War damage. Sa mga fallen soldiers natin. Peace lang. Para mapakbonus na gawa. Sige. Good. Tapos i-retake natin
I
ito.
cannot.
So dadali ko lang yung ano ko dito, yung Shinobi para mag-scout.
Yes, my lord.
Yung
Your
push
orders,
natin
my
is pag ganito. Yan, pag ganyan. Okay. Patigilan mo naman ito i-bombard.
My lord.
Okay.
At your
Let's
service.
end the turn. Ayun, nandun siya. Punta wala siya ng military access. In short. Ay. Sorry. Admit na naman ako. Ay. Baka pala kalabang ka.
Yes, my lord. Treading softly. On my way. Treading soft as you wish.
My sword for you without delay. At your command. Your next command.
How may I serve you?
Ito, dito.
I thirst. It will be done.
Ito. Straight.
Ready for orders.
Yung turn. 3 turns pa rin. Tagal naman.
Is that all?
Kanina 2 turn na lang yun ah. Yun bang... Ito kasi laki na nawala sa akin eh. So anyway,
Yes, my lord.
next turn ano ba? Hindi siya aabot din eh. Pero magiging full stack to yun. Tapos meron parrot, ano to? Parrot gun nga. Yan.
I am.
Okay, may pag-trade muna tayo dito. Ay, sayang.
So then,
Ito ginawa ko na kanina. Anyway. End turn.
My sword for you, my lord.
One turn. Should I wait?
What is your bidding?
Kasi Shinigami.
Ready for orders.
Decision. I need decision.
At your command.
Okay, let's wait one turn.
My lord,
Yung sabotage
treading
natin
softly.
to. Maintain na nga rin
on
itong,
my way.
itong army na to.
Awaiting further instructions.
Tax. Bombardment. Tingnan mo na ako. Ka.
Your orders, my lord. As you command.
Yan, natik-atake niya ako. And then shinobi here.
At your service, as you wish. Hi,
At may army.
as you wish. What is treading
Ay,
softly?
sabi.
Hi,
Fascinate natin niya mamaya. Hostile ka naman sa akin eh. Hindi mo tayo bati eh.
how may I serve you?
Ikaw,
It
ito
will be
tigilan.
done.
Sabotage. 42%. Two power guns na.
Yes, my lord.
Yun, nag-stuck siya doon. Oh my god, galing. Namula siyang laban eh.
At your command.
Sige.
Attack! Besieging the settlement! Attacking the settlement, my lord!
On my way. Awaiting. I thirst. Hi,
Super. Kagewa. Kagegawa. Pwede may pag-alay dito. Yan.
greetings. It is always good to see honest friends come to take tea and talk of many things.
Payment? 1K? Baka naman. 500? Okay, ganyan. 94, 92, minus 25. Ano masyadong tigilan na hayop ka eh. Anyway. Wait lang. Ayun na. 3, 2.
Waiting for more orders. Ready for further orders.
Ay, tagal naman. Shogun. Modernization. Bakit kami ito? Tapos dami ng honor.
you, sir. On the move,
I-push
sir.
natin to
Orders
kasi
received.
anytime naman pwede tayo makapag
Ready for
malapit
orders.
lang to. Depend natin.
Yes, my
So,
lord. It will be done.
papatayin mo ba to? Ay, General of Inspector General Yamoka.
Discretion.
Yun, patay. Ilan yan? Force natin to atakihin ako. Parating pa din ito.
My lord? No, my lord. Hi.
Ayaw mo doon.
Speak.
Okay. Yan yung babang plan. Dapat. Enter. Yun, lumayo. Yun oh. Ayaw ngayon ito resolve. Nauubos yung levy ko. So, let's fight this battle. Buusin natin siya, tapos makuha natin yung castle. Okay. Okay. So, ang start natin dito, i-atras ko yung pull out ko yung army ko hanggang dito sa mga sa bayan, sa town. Tapos yung cavalry ko, pupush ko para patayin yung mga parrot guns. Or let it be same strat na yung army ko, yung cavalry ko tutulong lang sa main army ko. So think mas okay yun kasi pag nataka yung castle niya,
Spears at the ready.
tawag dito, yun lang yung settlement plus pala yung garrison.
Yorick, here's some spearmen.
Bows at the ready.
Whoop. 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 Look. So let's start.
Prepare to defend, sir.
Yorick. Here's some spearmen at the ready.
May wala konti dito. Here.
At the wing.
Kaya naman. Here.
Whip at the wind.
Malapit lang siya. Oh.
Orders. Spear levy. My lord. General Anka.
Orders.
Siya ang attacking. Siya atake sa akin.
Spearmen.
Diba? Ayos na yan. Wala ang general niya. Ito. Pero I guess
Group
push ako
order.
na eh.
Group leave formation. Let them move.
My lord, group dismissed.
Loose formation.
Ang gusto ko yung push eh.
At the double. Yes, I'm ready.
撃隊準備
Ayan. Dito na malapit to eh.
Yariki. Ready for orders.
Ready for orders.
Is at the ready. Bow catching. Bows at the ready. Bow catching.
Bokachi.
At the ready. Spears at the ready.
Bokachi. Ayan na. Ayun, meron dito. Ipapag. Ang mahal yung parot ganyan. Ma-advance.
Orders.
Nag-deploy na siya. Oh. Dalawa to ah, sino isa? Yun na nga. Yun na nga.
Group order. At the wind. My lord. My lord.
Yun na nga. Masabi ko.
撃隊準備
Saan siya may kutan?
Spears at the ready. Battle group ready.
Yung cannons. Dapat dalawa.
At the wind. My lord. Battle group ready.
Oh. No!
Here's some spearmen.
Sobrang accurate niya naman, boy.
For our noble lord. Sweep them from the field. Order. Here. Yariki. Attack.
Boom! Baka ng artillery. Kasi yan.
Harry King.
Ito lang.
Close front. Here's some spearmen. Sweep at the wind. My lord.
Ha? Okay. Tapos dyan. Ikutan niya ako.
Spear levy. Battle group ready. Ready to lose.
Ano ako maikutan, boy?
At the double. Close up. Spears at the ready.
Oh, nice.
Order. Battle group ready.
Tingnan mo na kayo What the fuck? Bakit nag-rearrange pa kayo? Ano yun? Fire? Fire? Kayong dalawa dito, kayong dalawa dito. Saan ka pupunta, boy? Stupid archer. What? Come here. Come here, boy. Ayan, quadrant pala yun. Yes, we're winning, I guess. Utol ka pa.
You have triumphed over the
I
enemy!
know, I know. Habang yun the back. Well played.
Position.
Huh? What happened? May wala siya? Finish at Davidi. Spears at Davidi.
Your men have killed their general, sir!
Nice. Well played. Yung command. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Five. Put it up. Seven, six, five. Go, looking up. Seven. Wala na dito. Okay. Help him. Okay. Nakatax pa isa dito.
General, I've got!
Kamusta?
Spears at the ready.
Ayun, parang na-upgrade yun. Ito pala. Kulay mo kasi yung grass eh. Kaya mga puno eh. Fast forward. Sayang yung oras. Nice. So, may nakatakas na saber. Tsaka ilang ano. Remaining 121. Promoted ba? Yes. Most of them promoted. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Yan. Aba, talaga nga namang gusto mo pa. Ito may sound. Baka ako. Nga. Ano yung watch ko?
You have further orders.
Nice, nice. Buli mo pa yan ng shinobi ko ha. I'll declare war on Edo. Sisira na naman yung ano ko. Kakaroon naman ako ng dami -1 na. Constitution. Plus dami ba dito? Alam ko mayroong plus dami dito eh. Kaso dito pa ata yun. Ayun oh. Level 5. Fudge! Ano nangyari?
Let us.
What? Pala kasi may minus yung dami.
Sir! At once! At your service. Make haste, man! March!
Incredible to. Iaabot. Hindi ka pin... Oh no. Good, 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 good.
Yes, my lord.
Ikot lang tayo. Ikot-ikot
On
lang.
my
Abuli
way.
mo ko.
It will be done.
Takayama. Dito 6-4. Tea. I need tea.
Sir! At once!
Kakaroon pala ako ng Shinigami Police dito. One turn, one turn, one turn, one turn, one turn, one turn, all one turn. That's good enough to take this settlement.
What is your bidding?
Ikaw. Nga.
As you command. On my way. At your service.
projectile. Plus 1% chance successful shinobi action ng baba. Plus 1. Bataging armies. Pati assassin nga. So,
How may I
balik ka
serve
dito para makita mo yung view
Impossible, my
later. Make peace. Dahil mo lang kalaban eh, oh.
Tight.
Gusto mo talaga maubos ha? Sige, ibibigyan kita. Ano ba? Ano ba? Katana. Katana. Hindi, gumagalaw na siya. Gumagalaw na siya. Ilang turn yon bago siya makapunta dito.
As you wish. Treading softly. As you wish.
1, 2.
Up to your side. Make haste, ma'am.
Two turn.
My lord, I.
Yun, nakuha niya.
That is beyond my skill. It will be done.
So, ang focus ko na lang
At your service. Not possible,
itong
my
Ichigo.
lord.
Ano ba to? Okay. Ano ba ako? Wait lang, ito. Paggawa. Okay. Huwag ka na magalit.
Sometimes travelers meet and profit.
Magalit ka pa sa akin. So I guess kunin ko to. Teka.
Your orders, my lord.
Or
Ready for orders.
to.
Yes, my lord.
My
Kunin
sword
ko muna
very well.
dito. Wait for 3.
How may I serve you?
1, 2 turn. Ito naman 4.
Ready for battle. At your command.
Hindi tayo makapag-create ng maraming army guys
My sword for you, my lord.
Kailangan yan. Pag nakuha ko itong city ko, I mean yung capital ko, i-push natin ito. So, friendly pa ba tayo sa Edo? Yes, so friendly sa Edo. Very friendly. Away kasi kayong dalawa, nag-aaway kayo. Dapat bati-bati lang. Bati lang. Eh kung peace tayo. Tapos,
Speak your pretty speech, but do not
wow,
imagine
di
for
ayaw
one.
mo, kung ayaw mo, di wag. Enter.
What is as you wish? On my way. Treading softly.
Saan nagpunta? Ha? Teka,
Ready for
napaka-sneaky
orders.
nun
Yes, my lord. Treading softly.
At your command. Destiny attack.
Parang pupunta siya dito Papalayo ako 1, 2, 4 turns.
Is there nothing else? Yes, my lord.
Iwan kayo. Ito lang.
Marching now.
Senator.
At your command, without delay. As you wish, my lord.
For sure. Oh, for sure.
No, my lord. My lord,
Ano dito? Oh, makita ako.
I cannot, my lord.
At your service.
Oh, may army! Oh my god! I'm stuck!
Journey completed.
Ah! Kita ko kanina wala siyang army doon, di ba? Bakit nagkaroon bigla? May stuck pa! Patay lang natin itong general nila. Ah! Ito na. Uphill, uphill. Ito, uphill. Ito kayo. Kayo. Habang gubat. Puno-puno.
And guard.
Punch.
Gear of guard.
Today, sir, we defend.
We're losing
And
defending.
the double. Full country.
What the... What the...
Steel. Sweep them from the field.
Why dito?
At the double.
Excuse me. So, di ba kita-kita naman kanina? Dumaan yung shinobi ko. Wala namang stuck na army dun. Ilang turn lang nagkaroon na? Paano yun? Ito na. Saan ka na? Tagal mo naman. Tagal mo naman. Bilisan mo na. Yun. Tatamaan, hindi ko na bala. Pas ka konti. So kayo, patayin nyo itong General's Bodyguard, tsaka itong Saber. Malakas ang damage nyo dyan, bungay. Mas lamang kayo
Force
dyan.
ready to lose.
sir!
Nice.
The enemy general is dead!
Dalawa to eh. Sino isa? Di ba dalawa yun? Kayo dito. Balik kayo dito.
Double line standard.
One line.
Sweep them from the field! Move, my lord!
Okay, one sec.
At the double!
Nasa range kayo.
Spears at the ready! Move, country!
I think no. Plus kayo.
At the
Plus kayo, plus
double!
kayo. Kayo. Ito kayo.
Move, country!
Hindi nga pala.
Ready to lose! Move up the ready! Move up!
Nice. Nice. Kayo, kabaloy. Dito kayo sa gilid. Takot ako dito kasi open. Pero wala namang siyang general dito. Kutay nyo, kutay nyo. Confuse yan, confuse. Ayun, isa. Flank, flank, flank. Share flank.
Move, country! At the double! At the double! Move up the ready! Ready to lose! Move up! At the double!
Yari. Oy, oy! Oh my God! Pansin, bagal ko doon.
Move up the ready!
Oh, kayo. Oh, go back, go back, go back. Still yan, still yan. Miss me. Dito. I think much better kung general atakin. Ingat nyo naman, bilisan nyo. Weaver, broken. Ah! Unat naman nun.
Move, country! At the double! Ready!
A unit is running from the battlefield,
What?
sir!
Forgot.
Ready to lose!
Sir, your general is under attack!
I know. Saan ka pupunta? Dito kayo. Dito kayo. Takay mo. Tak. Tak.
Ready to lose! Attack! Now! Ready! Attack! Get up and go!
I don't care. You need to win. You need to win. Nice! Nagwali! Nagwali out siya! Quick Weaver! Nice! Nice! Huwag ka mamamatay! Huwag ka mamamatay! Quick Weaver! Ay, tanga! Mali! Mali!
You have triumphed over the enemy!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sige, huli nyo! Makakapas tayo. Oh my god!
Your men are routing, sir!
Sino ay yung ano? Gusto niya skill baby. Woo! I'm losing. But
A
I'm
unit has
winning.
grown weary, sir.
Enough. So, I didn't expect that. Actually, kanina gusto ko na yung auto solid, pero sabi ko, much better kung kung lalabanan ko tapos mabuwasan ko yung army niya. But, I didn't expect to win. So, kung makabalik pa ako, makakatras pa ako. Pero ang daya ewan ko saan galing yung army na yun
At
Hindi ko
your
alam saan galing
service.
yung army na yun.
Hi.
Diba siya? Wala.
Awaiting
Hindi naman siya
further
dito.
on my way.
Your orders, my lord.
Kayo, tapos kayo.
Gathering as you command.
What is your bidding? As you wish. Is that all, my lord?
No, I don't want to waste my money there. No, definitely no.
Without delay.
Go back.
Ready for orders.
Ready for orders. Orders received.
So much
Your
better.
orders, my lord.
Ito muna kayo. Ito hindi pa
Yes, my
ito.
lord.
Money, need money in cash. So plus 1,000. 1,000.
How may I serve you?
Kaya yun, kaya bumalik siya.
Your orders,
Big
my lord.
question. Big question. So wala naman. Let's try to make peace. No?
I will hear.
Make peace? Ba't ayaw nyo?
I did.
Yung problema nyo. Takayama, saan to? Ano kalaban mo? Ay, daming kalaban itong Edo na to eh. Ed, enter.
At your command.
At your command. Ready for battle. Make haste, men.
Yes,
Yes.
my lord. It will be done. Treading softly. I
So I need guys money. So kaya ini-maintain ko lang muna. So,
Hi. Anything further? My lord,
ito muna.
on my way. Impossible,
Ah.
my lord. I need to think. Di ko alam nasan isang army ning Sedai. Pero I was planning to push forward to retake my capital. Kaso hindi ko rin magawa kasi walang supporting army dito. Unless makikipag-peace sa akin to. Ang hirap.
My sword for you, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord. As you command. Your order, as you wish, my lord. At your command.
Dito siya.
Very well.
Kung dito man lumabas at least dito na isang turn lang. Okay, anyway, so let's enter.
How may I serve? As you wish. It will be done.
At once.
Ready for orders, without delay.
Hindi.
What is your bidding? Treading softly. Hi. It will be done.
Ay, lalabas.
My sword for you,
Ayos
my
na.
lord. Marching now.
March.
Ready for orders. Marching now.
Ilan turn ito? 10 turns?
At your service. Treading softly.
10 turns yun? Money. Naman. Ewan ko nga. Kasi wala tayong budget pa sa'yo.
Yes, my lord, as you wish. On my way.
Ito lang dito siya.
It will be done.
Wala.
Treading softly.
Yan pala. Okay. Kalaban niya yung Matsumi.
Ready for orders received. Make haste, men. Is that all, sir? On the move, sir.
My lord,
Puro siya dito.
that
Pakakita
is
ko
beyond
yung-
my skill.
yung-
Not possible, my lord.
At your command.
As you command.
Puro turn wala nangyayari guys, sorry. Ang hirap i-defend.
At your service. Hi.
So let's enter na game. Wala mo kong development eh, oh, bakit eh?
How may I serve you? It will be done as you wish. I cannot, my lord.
Yes, my lord, without delay.
At your side. At once.
Plus one turn, tapos push natin ito. Kaso, fourth turn. Anyway, kaya yan. Basta walang army dito. Peace. Peace. Peace.
I
Hindi pa tayo makakapag...
Ready for order.
What is your bidding? As you wish. Awaiting your next command.
Hindi pa tayo makakapag-turn. May makapush.
Yes, my lord. On my way. Treading softly.
Kasi...
Anything further?
Next. Ito. Iba yun. Laban na yun.
At your command.
Kasi next turn, winter na. Kung wag ako naturation yung ano natin.
My sword for you, my lord.
Kahit natin yung army natin.
Forgive me, but I cannot.
One turn. Mas makapag-replenish siya ng 3 turns. 3 turns. 3 turns.
I thirst for... My lord?
Ready for orders. Very well. As you wish, my lord.
Yan.
Your orders, my lord.
Okay, so may pera tayo. Kaya tayo mag-trade ng isang... Ito. Okay. Ito kaya. Next turn isa pa. Plus... Plus 400 wealth. Oh, not bad for 400 wealth. So, turn, 2 turn, 3 turn. Okay, so pag marami to, ambush siya.
Yes, my
Mapapadali ako.
lord.
Then I'll have to wait. Next turn! Tas...
Waiting for
Ambush.
more orders.
Okay, so I think that's it for this part 3 of my ISO campaign. I think sa next part I was thinking to auto-resolve kasi sobrang taas ng ano namin, anang-ano ko ng potential ko ng manalo. Pero hindi ko sila it may cause me to lose a lot of my spearmen. So, siguro yun muna. So, thank you for watching. See you in my next part 4 of my ISO Legendary Campaign. Bye-bye!